Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Tonight's meal is going to be some salmon bites and some sweet potato fries and possibly some broccoli on the side. Okay, so right here I have a little mixture that I added with oil, brown sugar, salt, pepper, nutmeg, white sugar, and I just added 3 teaspoons of avocado oil, and I'm going to add the fries to it, the sweet potato fries, and let them get a good coating, and then I'm going to lay them out on the pan to bake at 425. Okay, so excuse the fact that I don't have a mixing bowl. Well, I do. I just put a lot of things in it, and I don't feel like taking it out. But okay, my fries now have an even coat. Okay, I'm going to lay them on the pan. Okay, I laid them out in a single file on the pan. Tried to get as many on here as I could, and now I'm about to pop it in the oven on 425 for about 20 minutes. Here are the sweet potato fries, pretty much ready to come out. You can keep them into your liking, but to me this is fine. Okay, I am going to attempt to make some salmon bites. I have some avocado oil for frying and some fish fry. Okay, so I seasoned my salmon bites. After dicing them up, I sprinkled some lemon juice on here fresh. I used some ground black pepper, some parsley flakes, this Dash Caribbean citrus I got off of Amazon, some onion powder, and some garlic powder. And now I'm going to dip it in the New Orleans fish fry. Make sure I get an even coat. Don't forget to flip your salmon nuggets over. I cooked it about 6 to 7 minutes on each side, kind of judging it by the color. Okay, and this is how it turned out, nice and crispy. Can't wait to try these, they look so good. Okay guys, this is the final product. We have the broccoli, the salmon nuggets, and the sweet potato fries. Looks really good. Can't wait to sit down with my show and eat this delicious meal. We're switching it up for 2022. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of my recipes. Bye.